Introducing yourself. Describing your background in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an essential part of meeting new people: introducing yourself and describing your background. Whether it's for a job interview, a social gathering, or an English-speaking exam, it's essential to express yourself clearly and confidently. When introducing yourself, start with the basics: your name, where you're from, and a brief description of your current situation, such as your job or study. For example, I'm John, I'm from London, and I'm currently a university student studying English literature. Next, delve a bit deeper into your educational history. Talk about the schools or universities you've attended, your majors, and any significant achievements. Keep it concise and relevant. For example, I attended Oxford University, where I studied English literature. I graduated with honors, which was a fantastic achievement for me. If you have any professional experience, now's the time to share it. Mention the places you've worked, your roles, and any significant projects or achievements. For example, after graduating, I worked for HarperCollins Publishers as an editorial assistant. I was part of the team that published a best-selling novel last year. To make your introduction more personal, share some of your interests or hobbies. This not only gives a glimpse of your personality but also provides potential topics for further conversation. For example, in my spare time, I enjoy reading, hiking, and cooking. I also have a book club that meets every month. After you've described your background, it's nice to end with a polite closing. This might be an expression of enthusiasm for the conversation to continue or a simple thank you. For example, I'm looking forward to learning more about you all. Thanks for listening. That's it for our lesson today on introducing yourself and describing your background in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to use these tips in your daily conversations or self-introductions. We hope this lesson helps you express yourself more confidently in English. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next lesson.